Class 4 Computer. Class 4 Computer. Today we are going to learn about logo, command and procedure. Today we are going to learn about logo, commands and its procedure. As you have already learnt about logo in your previous class, that means you have learned, you have done logo, you have practiced logo, and now you know bit part of logo as you have already done in your class 3. Okay, so today we will learn about it more briefly. We are going to learn about it more briefly. What we are going to learn? We are going to learn about logo. So first of all, before starting logo, we will learn what is logo, how to start a logo, recap. We are going to recap the commands, and there are more commands that also we will learn in today's lesson. So we are going to learn what is logo, how to start logo, recap the commands, and there are more commands in logo that we are going to learn in today's lesson. A very warm welcome to you all. I hope you all are good in health. Stay safe and stay home. So let's get started with the following chapter: logo, command and procedure. So let us see what does the logo means first. Before starting it, we have to see what is logo. Let us see that. So what do you understand by logo? Okay, logo is what do you understand? Logo is a programming language. It is not an application. It is not a software. It is a language. It is a programming based language. So logo is pronounced as, how we pronounce logo? Logo. L-O-W, lo. How you pronounce lo? And G-O-Go, like that. Logo. So we pronounce logo as logo, and is high level language and is high level programming language, known for its graphic capability. Now why it is known for it? Why everyone uses it? Why everyone learns it? It is being known for graphic capability. Its graphic capabilities. So logo has been created by Seymour Papert. Logo is created by Seymour Papert in the year 1967. You can imagine it's how much old language it is. So it has been created by Seymour Papert in the year 1967. It is used for young school children like you all. So it is being used for young school children as a basic method of programming. As a basic method of programming. Instructions into a computer to create a graphic. Instructions into a computer to create a graphic. So this is the purpose of using logo. Now let's see in the book what it's written. Logo, commands and procedures. So what is logo? Now if anybody asks you what is logo, you cannot just say that logo is used for graphic or something, because that is a incomplete answer. That is not completely said. So what you will say, what is a logo? Logo is a simple, perfect computer language. Logo is a simple, perfect computer language used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. It is used for drawing shapes, not only drawing shapes, it is also used for doing the arithmetic calculations. Like in arithmetic, you do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. All those things you can do in Logo also. So Logo is a simple, perfect computer language. It is used for drawing shapes and arithmetic calculations or operations. Now, turtle is the icon used as a pen in Logo. So, what is a turtle? Turtle is an icon which is used as a pen in a logo to draw or to do something in Logo application. Clear? So, Logo is a simple, perfect computer language used for drawing shapes and calculating arithmetic operations. Turtle is the icon used as pen in the logo. Now you can see the topic. The topic is starting logo or how to start a logo. There are many steps to do. There are many steps, right? Everything is having steps. Like while you wake up, how to brush your teeth, if I ask, you will tell me by step. Everything is having a specific step, and when we will follow it, it happens accurately. Like that, logo is also having some steps which we should follow to open it, so that our program opens it without any interruption. It opens it very nicely. So if I say, how do you brush your teeth? You will say to me, I wake up in the morning, I come out of my bed, I wear my slippers, I go to my washroom. First, I make sure that I am awake properly. I wash my face first. I tie my hair properly. Then I take my toothpaste, brush and toothpaste. Then I brush my teeth. After brushing my teeth, I gargle. I wash my face again. I use my washroom. Now I am freshen up. Again, now I can do my some work. Anything you do, right? Like that, for starting logo, we need to follow some specific steps. Now, what are those specific steps? See, first of all, start. You have to go to the start button. While you are clicking the start button, a dialog box appears in the right hand side only. There will be all program. All program, you are going to just click all program. Again, a dialog box appears. Over there are many options. From there, you are going to select Microsoft Windows logo. You are going to select Microsoft Windows logo. Double click on it, and it is opened. While it is opening, you can see the screen which you are seeing in your book. This is a logo screen. There is a menu bar. In menu bar, there are, see what are those? File, bitmap, set, zoom, help. So these are the menu bar. Now you can see the turtle. Turtle is used to draw shapes. And the white screen which you can see, that is the main or graphic screen. It is a main or graphic screen. Downstairs you can see a scroll bars. After that, there are two screens. The logo screen is divided into two parts. The first one is known as the main screen. And the second window is known as the commander window, in where you give commands and whatever thing happens in the main screen, you can draw it. So now you can see there are many tabs in the right hand side. halt, trace, pause, status, step, reset, execute, idle. So these are the control button from where you can control the logo. And one more box is there present, that is input box. Input box is present for giving the input to the logo for performing the following function. So these are the parts of a logo screen. Recap on elementary logo commands. Recap on elementary logo commands. Now this chart is very, 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 very important. I'm saying you it from now onwards only, that this chart is very important, so you have to learn it by heart. Okay, so this actually you know all the things. In class 3 you have not done the actions, but you know the full forms of the commands. The expanded form you know for the commands, like FD is forward. What is the action? You know it verbally, but you have not written it down in your class 3. But this time you are having your action given forward and commands and expanded form. So sometimes the question can always come like, give the action, what is the action or what is the function of FD command. Okay, or it can come, what is the function and the expanded form of FD command. So you have to learn all the 3 parts, commands, expanded form and actions, by heart. Now let's see, FD, the expanded form of FD is forward. Now what does forward FD commands do? That means it moves the turtle forward by specified number of steps, drawing a line. Whatever like FD 50 you have given, so it will move 50 steps forward. FD means forward. BK means backward. Moves the turtle backward by specified number of steps and drawing a line. By leaving a line, it draws a step. RT. Now in your book it's just written right. Just please mention there right turn. Right turn. In front of right, just write TUR and turn, because the full form of RT is right turn and full form of LT will be left turn. So mention turn in all this too, right and left. Okay, just write it down, right turn and left turn. So RT means turns the turtle right to its heads to the right. Okay, and LT means turns the turtle's head to its left hand side. CS means clear screen. CS means clear screen. Clears the screen and brings the turtle to its original position. It clears the screen and brings the turtle to its original position. By means by. By is expanded form is also by. It comes out of logo. Comes out of logo. Home also its expanded form is home. Brings turtles to its original position without clearing the screen. It does not clear the screen. It only brings the turtle to the middle position, that is the original position. Whatever drawing you have done, it will be like there if you press home. But if you are pressing CS, it will first clear it all, then only the turtle will come in the middle. HT, height turtle. So see HT, it's written a height turtle like that. RT and LT you will write right turn, left turn. Okay. HT, height turtle, hides the turtle from the screen. Hides the turtle from the screen. ST means show turtle. Show turtle. Makes the turtle appear on the screen. Makes the turtle appear on the screen. PU, that is pen up. PU means pen up. lifts the turtle's pen up and it moves without drawing line. It lifts the turtle's pen up and it moves without drawing lines. PD means pen down. PD means pen down. Places the turtle's pen down and draws the line while moving. It draws the line while moving. So these are the recap on elementary command. Now we will learn more commands, more 3 commands we are going to learn in this chapter now. Tech corner. Tech corner. I always say that do not forget to read the tech corner portion because many questions can come from here. As you are in class 4, in computer C, it doesn't matter you are in class 1 or 5, you're 4, 3, 2, whatever. You have to read each and every bit of the computer book so that you can know everything and the questions can come from anywhere. So you have to read every bit of the book. The pen normal command sets the pen to normal mode and is equivalent to step and size 1 1. The pen normal command sets the pen to the normal mode and it's equivalent to step and size 1 1. Now let's read about more commands in logo. There are more commands in logo as you can see in the book. There are more 3 commands we are going to learn today. That is set pen size, set PC and PR command. So these are the 3 new commands which we are going to learn. Set pen size, set PC and PR commands. Set pen size. So what does this command do? Let us see. This command defines the size, that is the width of the pen. Okay, how thick or how thin it should be. Okay, this command defines the size, that is the width of the pen. The format is set pen size in bracket, second bracket n bracket close, where n represents the numbers. You can just write set pen size and in the bracket 2 2 or 3 3 4 4, whatever number you do, and you just put enter and you can see the result where n represents the number. So see over here, one example is given like FD30 RT90 set pen size 33, FD50 RT90 pen normal, FD30 RT90 set pen size 33, FD50 pen normal. So after set pen size, if you need a pen normal, you do pen normal and then it will be normal drawing, it will start. Then if you want again to change the size of the pen, you can do set pen size and give any number you want as your wish, and then you put enter, and now you can see using pen normal and set pen size command it has been drawn. So I will always say please do practice all the commands in your computer. Sit and practice it, you can understand how to use it. Set PC. So what is the full form of set PC? Set pen color. Set pen color. So this command helps to change the color of the pen. You can change the color according to your wish with this command. So this command helps to change the color of the pen. The format is set PC in second bracket RGB. Now what is R, what is G, what is B? This is a big question. Now see, where RGB represents R for red, G for green, B for blue. So these are the primary colors, red, green, blue. So these primary colors you can change according to these primary colors. So red, green, blue are the primary colors. The color code ranges from 0 to 255. So what is the color code? The color code ranges from 0 to 255. Now you can see over here one command is given. Please do practice it. Set PC 0, FD50, set PC 1, RT90, FD50, RT90, set PC 14, FD100, RT90, set PC 4, FD100 and enter. Now you can see the drawing has been come using set PC command. PR, what is the full form of PR? That is print. Now how to print in logo command? The print command is used to display numbers, letters, words and sentence in the commander window. So print command is used to display numbers, letters, words and sentence in the commander windows. Now see printing numbers. How to print a number we are going to see in the next slide. Now printing numbers. Now how to print a number? Let us see. The format to print one number is, if you want to print one number, what you have to type? PRN. N represents for number. N indicates for number. The format to print one number is PRN, that is N indicates to the any number if you want to print. Now the format to print set of numbers is the form, you will write PR and in the bracket if you want to write 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and then bracket close and enter. Then you can print the numbers. If you want to print a set of numbers together, you have to put it into bracket and print it. Okay. Now see the example over here, PR 30 and enter, PR space 30, enter. You can get 30 in the commander window. Then PR in bracket 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and bracket close, enter, and now see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 is printed in the commander window. Okay, so this is the printing number. Now how to print a letter, a word and sentences. Printing a letter, word and sentences. The format to print a letter, only one letter, is PR double inverted comma start any letter you want to write, and without closing the double inverted comma you just press enter and your letter has been printed. The double quotes should only be opened, not be closed. Got it? The format to print a word, if you want to print a word, is PR double inverted comma and the word you want to write. The double quotes should only be opened and not closed in this case too. Now the third one, that is the format to print a sentence. If you want to print a sentence, PR double inverted comma and any sentence you can write. This is one way. Another way is the command also uses the square brackets. So you are writing PR and you can use the second bracket and you write the sentence. For example, my school is the best, and then you close the bracket and then print. You can print it. Whether you can do the first step and the second step equal. Okay. Now these are the, see, you can see printing letter N, printing next prize, printing my school is the best, and then print. So printing a letter, word and sentence. So today we are going to learn it till here. In our next class we will learn about logo more. Okay. Till then, let us solve something related to this. The very first work for you is draw the parts of logo screen. See the image? This screen you are going to draw, and you have to label it also, that which one is logo, which one is the command screen, which one is the main screen. All the things, all the parts of the logo screen you have to label it. Now see this one, guess and write the output for the following print commands. Now you know what will be the output of this. Just if you want to practice in your computer, you can practice and see what are the outputs coming and just write it down in your book itself. So please do this. Go through the chapter very carefully and practice the logo commands till where we have done, so that there will be no confusion left. Till then, thank you.